Hello guys and welcome to my first tutorial. Today I'll be talking about highlights. Highlights are basically selection boxes but they look nicer and you can see them through walls. Now highlights are mostly used to show the player something important around the map. Like for example, in my game 1 week at Robs, which is a definitely play, I use highlights to show the player what they need to get for their task and where their task is. Well, how do you use a highlight? You can change the fill color, which is this red color here. I'll switch it to black because I think it looks the best. Then you can change the fill transparency, which is the black color. Next, you can change the outline color, which is the outline, of course. And you can change the transparency, but I think the default settings look the best. Next, how do you change a highlight with a script? Well, use a script, let's say local part equals script.parent, and let's say local highlight equals part.highlight. So from a script, you can do highlight.enable equals false, then you can do highlight.fillColor equals color 3. I think it uses color 3. You say you can use anything here. I'll just put it as red like it's the default. You can change highlight dot fill transparency. You can put it anything. I'll put it 0. Highlight dot outline color, which again uses color 3. So from RGB, say 000, so black. Then highlight dot outline transparency equals, I'll put it 0. And this is basically what you're most likely to use with highlights, because there's not that much you can use with highlights. But to make a good game, highlights are pretty important because they look good and you can see them through walls, so they're not like selection boxes. Hi guys, I realized that I forgot to talk about what depth mode on highlight is. And always on top means that it will show through walls, but if you switch it to occluded, it won't show through walls. So this means that you can also use highlights as a substitute for selection boxes because they look much nicer than selection boxes. So yeah, that's the tutorial. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.